Welcome back. In today's video we're going to be testing the two locomotives. I have one set up on the track and we're just going to see if it will run. Like it wants to go. I'm gonna take off the shell and see if I can figure out what's wrong. I think this motor is seized, so we'll have to try and fix that one. Now we'll try this one, so let's hope it works. And it does. Might have been the first time it's run in gears. It needs a little bit of help. But it is working, so that's good. I wasn't originally planning on making a video about, or just adding this engine into the video of doing work on it, but it's really greasy. That's the thing of grease. That's grease. There's a huge chunk of grease in here. There's a lot of grease in here, so guess I'll get my phone on time lapse and show a video of cleaning everything. I think I found the main reason why the motor wasn't working. These little hooks were in the motor and preventing it from spinning, so we'll take those off. Then I'll work on cleaning the other truck and putting the locomotive back together. I'm not going to be able to fix this one. There's something really wrong with the motor, so it's just going to have to be turned into a dummy locomotive. But at least we'll be able to have one working locomotive out of this, which means we get to improve our engine collection by a little bit. These in the motor just made it impossible to fix the motor, so we'll at least have a new dummy locomotive. Well, I'm back, and now we're going to be restoring this Burlington Northern engine, just by giving it a little bit of oil and stuff, and I'll get a time lapse of that, and hopefully it goes better. And yes, I put a coupler on the front so we can do some switching. So here's the time lapse. Now that it's oiled, let's see if that helps it run any better. Oh no, the train derailed. I think I might need to clean up the wheels a little bit. Oh, we have a fine runner here, I think. It just knocked the power off the track, so I'll clean the wheels and come back. Got the locomotive kind of moving at a very slow crawl. So, I think it might be one of my best crawling locomotives. So, thanks for watching.